How to add Xfinity Stream app on Samsung Smart TV. So, in general, models from 2016 or newer with Tizen OS support the app, but not all Samsung TVs have it. So, you're gonna have to put that in mind first. But even so, you can still go ahead and try on your TV to see if it is. But again, you won't be able to download APKs or even download anything from the Play Store since that is not allowed. But in your TV itself, go ahead to your remote and just press on the Smart Hub button. Then this little thing should pop out, and what you're gonna do is go ahead to the apps. Then you're gonna go to the More section. So once you do that, you can go ahead and open that up, and it should just bring you to a little installer over here. So just go ahead here to the top right and go to the search bar, and you're gonna type in Xfinity. So if the Xfinity Stream app pops out, you can go ahead and choose that option. And if it's not already, you can go ahead and install it. So once installed, you can open the Xfinity Stream app and sign in with your Xfinity username and password. You can then access live TV, on-demand shows, and even recorded content from your account. But if the app doesn't appear in the App Store, your TV may not support it. So in which case, you can use alternatives like casting from a phone or a tablet with the Xfinity Stream app. Or you can even use a compatible streaming device such as a Roku or Apple TV or those kind of stuff to pretty much access your Xfinity content. But that's pretty much a way you can add your Xfinity Stream app on your Samsung Smart TV. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.